Hello students, today I am going to introduce you endocrine system. The speciality of endocrine system is that it consists of endocrine glands. So the speciality of these glands are, they are glands without ducts. These glands are without ducts. So that is why they are called ductless glands. They pour their secretion directly into the blood. The endocrine system coordinates the functioning of different body organs by producing hormones. Let us see the important endocrine glands. Here in a male body, here we can see that we can locate pineal gland, pituitary gland, here thyroid and parathyroid glands, thymus, pancreas and adrenal glands located just above the kidney, and in male testicles. In female, pineal gland is located here, pituitary gland and hypothalamus, thyroid and parathyroid glands, thymus, pancreas, adrenal glands located just above the kidney, and ovary, placenta only functioning during pregnancy. Let us see that important glands and their hormones and target organ and their function. Pineal gland, it produces melatonin. It targets many organs and its main functioning is that biological clock. Pituitary gland produces FSH and LH. It targets the ovaries and the main function menstrual cycle. Pituitary gland produces ADH hormone. Their target organ kidneys and their function osmoregulation. And pituitary glands also produces growth hormone. It targets many of the organs and their main function growth and division. Pituitary gland produces oxytocin. It affects uterus and the function is that birth contraction during the time of that delivering baby. So this hormone helpful. And pituitary gland produces prolactin. It targets the breast tissue and their main function milk production for the lactating mother. Thyroid gland produces thyroxine. Their target organ liver, metabolic rate. Adrenal glands produces adrenaline and cortisol. Adrenaline affects many target organs are there and they also called that they are the main hormones for fight or flight. And cortisol also affects many of the organs and it is also called by the name anti-stress hormone. Pancreas produces insulin and glucagon, so there it also affects our liver and their main function maintaining blood sugar levels. Ovaries produces estrogen and progesterone. Its target organ uterus. Its main function menstrual cycle. Testis produces testosterone. It also affects many of the organs and its main function that all the male characteristics. Let us see that what are the differences between exocrine and endocrine glands. So the speciality of endocrine glands is that they are without ducts and exocrine glands are with ducts. Endocrine glands, their secretions are poured directly into the blood. In the case of exocrine glands, secretions are poured directly into cavity through duct. In the case of endocrine glands, they secrete hormones. Exocrine glands produce juice containing enzymes and they are also called by the name biological catalyst. So here in the case of endocrine gland, secretions are in minute quantity or small change in secretion leads to disorders. In the case of exocrine glands, their secretions are in large quantity and small changes, then there is no problem. So here some examples of endocrine glands, they are hypothalamus, pituitary, thyroid and parathyroid, suprarenal, islets of Langerhans, ovary and testes. Exocrine glands examples are salivary glands, gastric glands and pancreatic acini. And you know that not only that these hormones, some of the hormones present outside the body also, they are called by the name pheromones. In the case of insects, so for their mating behavior and for the recognition of sex, and for that pheromones are helpful. So they can produce in insects, they are produced outside the body. That is why pheromones are also called by the name ectohormones. And we have to remember that hormones are the chemical regulators or chemical messengers of the body. Thank you for watching this video.